How to find Hostgator Nameservers quick and easy. Hostgator Nameservers tutorial. Hey guys, Brian with WP Cupid blog, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to find Hostgator Nameservers. If you haven't purchased Hostgator hosting yet, click the link in the description below and input our exclusive promo code CUPID60 to get up to 60% off your Hostgator hosting. I do want to mention that the link is an affiliate link, and I'll receive a commission which helps support this channel and helps us put out more WordPress tutorial videos. Let's dive into the how to find Hostgator Nameservers video tutorial. Unlike Bluehost and DreamHost, Hostgator does not have static name servers for their hosting accounts. An example of static name servers is if you sign up with Bluehost or DreamHost, all users who purchase hosting will receive name servers that are the same as everybody else. For example, if you were to sign up with Bluehost, your name servers and everybody else's name servers would be ns1.bluehost.com and ns2.bluehost.com. Since Hostgator doesn't have static name servers, everyone who purchases Hostgator hosting will have different name servers based on their hosting plan. A common reason to get your Hostgator name servers. One of the most common reasons you would need to get your Hostgator name servers is if you registered your domain name with another domain register like Namecheap or GoDaddy, and you need to input your Hostgator name servers so that your domain name points to your Hostgator account. There are two ways to find name servers in Hostgator. The first way is the Hostgator welcome email that you received after you purchase your Hostgator hosting, and the second way is through the Hostgator cPanel. Here's an example of what that welcome email would have looked like that has your Hostgator name servers included. The second way to find your Hostgator name servers is to find them through the Hostgator cPanel. Start by logging into the Hostgator cPanel, scroll down, and you will see your Hostgator name servers listed on the right hand side of the page under general information in the Hostgator cPanel. You have successfully found your Hostgator name servers in cPanel, and that is my tutorial video on how to find Hostgator name servers. If you have any questions, get in touch as I'm here to help you with anything you need. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more WordPress video tutorials. Leave us a comment. We love hearing from you.